Most people think yogurt is automatically healthy. But nutritionally and metabolically, yogurt is not one food. It exists on a wide spectrum. Yogurt ranges from a blood sugar stabilizing, protein-rich functional food, all the way to something that behaves metabolically more like a hidden dessert. Today we're going to break down the main types of yogurt, their ingredients, how they affect your metabolism, insulin, and glycemic control, and which ones truly support your health. At its core, yogurt is fermented milk. Specific bacteria convert lactose into lactic acid, which lowers pH, changes protein structure, and partially digests the lactose. This fermentation process is key to why yogurt acts differently from milk in the body. Plain yogurt is the baseline reference. It has only two ingredients, milk and live active cultures. It contains absolutely no added sugar or flavoring. Nutritionally, plain yogurt has moderate protein, some fat, and small amounts of partially broken down lactose. It produces a low insulin response, improves satiety, and helps stabilize post-meal blood sugar with a very low glycemic index, typically under 20. Next, let's look at Greek yogurt and skyr, which offer a metabolic upgrade from plain yogurt. Greek yogurt is simply strained yogurt. This process removes whey and a large portion of lactose, resulting in much higher protein, much lower carbohydrates, and a thicker texture. Its high protein content minimizes blood sugar spikes, behaving more like a lean protein source with a glycemic index often close to 10. Skyr is technically closer to a fresh cheese. It's ultra-strained, extremely high in protein and very low in lactose. From a metabolic standpoint, skyr is one of the most efficient dairy foods for fat loss and glycemic control, offering a strong insulin-sparing effect. This is where most people go wrong. Sweetened and flavored yogurts are a problem because they contain added sugars, fruit concentrates, or syrups. A single serving of flavored yogurt may contain 15 to 25 grams of added sugar, sometimes even more than soda. At this point, the fermentation benefits are largely overridden by the excessive sugar load. These yogurts cause rapid glucose spikes, high insulin release, and increased fat storage. They behave metabolically more like desserts than the functional foods they are marketed as. Contrary to old dietary advice, the fat content in your yogurt matters, and whole milk is often better. Whole milk yogurt provides slower digestion, better satiety, more stable blood glucose, and often a better insulin response. The fat in yogurt is protective, especially when no sugar is present. Low-fat or non-fat yogurt often results in faster gastric emptying and a higher insulin response. They are frequently compensated with sugar to maintain palatability. Let's touch on the crucial role of probiotics in metabolic health. Specific bacterial strains in yogurt offer significant health benefits. These cultures can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, strengthen the gut barrier, and influence bile acid metabolism. This all works to reduce metabolic stress and improve long-term glucose control. Look for plain, traditionally fermented options for the best probiotic diversity. When ranking yogurts for glycemic control, the best are plain Greek whole milk and skyr. The worst is any sweetened or flavored yogurt. Always choose yogurt with milk and cultures only. You want to avoid the high sugar content found in most flavored varieties. To improve taste and metabolic advantage, add your own toppings. Use berries for fiber and antioxidants, nuts or seeds for healthy fat and satiety, and cinnamon to further improve insulin sensitivity. Here is the final takeaway. Yogurt is not automatically healthy. Its impact on your metabolism depends entirely on its fermentation process, protein concentration, fat content, and most importantly, the presence of added sugar. When chosen correctly, yogurt is a powerful metabolic tool.